It's exceptionally rare, outlandish driving prospect, an exceptional combination that flashes. In fact, this car had the same performance, if not more, than the Ferrari F40 at the time. I'm delighted to welcome the Engine Flux to present the prize, although we don't have a car audio at the moment, so thank you for coming with you. Congratulations on the job, and thank you for your ongoing support of the event. Thank you, Adrian. Flux. For reversing, so it's ingenious in its originality for the first version of the car. It has a 3.9 litre naturally aspirated V12. It produces 375 brake horsepower. It was the poster car of a generation, capable of 179 miles per hour.